And it's a wrap, guys. Hadi Choopan has won Mr. Olympia 2022. It's a well-deserved victory, I believe, because Hadi Choopan brought the conditioning to stage that we didn't get to see from anyone else on stage. And you guys can see that he is lean, shredded, dense, muscular, and that is where I believe he defeated Derek Lunsford. That his conditioning and his dense muscularity was superior to Derek Lunsford. On the other hand, the 212 switched Derek Lunsford also did great and he placed second in the lineup. That means in the coming years, if he works on his conditioning and his muscularity, muscle density, he is definitely going to make waves and he is possibly going to become Mr. Olympia also. But I see Hadi Chupan winning a couple of more years with this kind of conditioning if he manages to bring it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please